Okay. 4 weeks ago, I added a lot of salt in there. And now no, I haven't thrown it away. It's still here. And I don't know if anything is living here still or not. Looks a bit, But we shall take a look and see what happened to Mars when it first started 4 weeks ago. Okay, right in the middle then. Too much! I know. Right, let's see. Glass. Every time. But that's fine! What do you expect from me, amateur? Right, and now let's go and add some oil. Right. Yeah, be alright. Okay. Oh, wait, come back. Nice. Dead. Ah, right, so these are still here. But nothing's moving. Yeah, it looks like whatever was there has died out. I did not spill this one, okay, I promise. Yeah. Nothing like the Venus sample, you know. Oh, yes, one survived. One hero. Wow. That moves. That moves. Yes, doesn't it? Yep, that moves. Right, now what? Okay, survivor number 2, twice the size. I do not have high hopes for them, to be fair. 2 is more than 1. I don't know what. This looks like it's got eyes. 1, 2, 3 eyes right in the middle. Maybe some others move as well. It's just like very slowly because, like I said, I have been keeping them in the dark room. All right, then, okay. Okay, you keep swimming. I'll take a look on more things. Oh, yes. Third one. Tiny but busy. Oh, third one. This one seems to be very busy, so that's good news. We have another one. So that's a third one. A fourth one. There's one on that corner as well. That's a pretty one with a pink and green, like UFO. Ah, yes. Fourth one. You see it in the corner there, top right corner. Yeah. So, bits have survived. They're not like, wow, there's loads of them. But I tell you what, doesn't matter. Because there is life. Let's do science now. Mars is cold. Mars is cold. And Mars is CO2. So, we're gonna do that. Poor Mars. Sparkling mineral water. First things first, cup. I need to add this mixture into this cup. So this mix into this cup because we need to transfer stuff. So let's go. Whee! All the salt and everything. Okay. Let's hope there's nothing there. Right, that looks terrible already. Great. Now, let's make things better. Sparkling water for CO2. Tablespoon. So let's add a tablespoon. Please survive. Oh, shoot. Close it really quickly. Okay, so my poor survivors are in an enclosed environment now with nothing but CO2 and salty water. Mars. Right, let's go and take care of Mars then. Okay, into the refrigerator next to my jam. Please survive. Goodbye. Miss you already. Love you. Bye. I was about to go and wash this, but look. This salt has created this border around the cover glass, so that's quite cool, isn't it? Yeah. Hello. How are you doing? Time to see what you're like. Hi, Mars. Yeah. Let's go. Now, this is Mars, yeah? Last week, I put it in a refrigerator with some carbonated water to see if they will survive. And interesting. Good. Let's do this. Fingers crossed. Holy crap. It looks like Mars. So I'm gonna go right. Good. Right, let's see what the top layer of Mars is like after being with CO2 for a week. And of course it goes everywhere. Of course it does. Because I'm no good at this. Right, new pipette, new drop of oil. Right, let's go and... Dude, this is a bad sample. Let's make a new sample, I don't really care. Of course I didn't record this bit. Let's go. The chances are that I cannot do shit. What is going on here? Something is going on here. What is going on here? Aha! Now then, what could that be? What's going on here anyway? Why do I have these long stringy things now? Right, what's around here? Oh! We have a survivor! One survivor. Yeah, that is a tiny survivor. Let me go down here. Okay, tiny survivor this way. Ah, these long stringy bits, what on earth are those? I won't even blame my cat because these are brand new slides. What is that thing there? They don't look alive, but they're kind of twisty. Why does that branch or stem there have those bubbles on it? This Martian sample has brought up more questions in my head than answers. So what is this? Let me see. It's like a DNA. Look, it's like twisted. It's like a twisted cucumber. Is this part of the process? Is this what happens with the CO2? Wait. Oh! Oh! No! We have a survivor! A proper survivor! We have one brave thing. It didn't die, and my sample isn't completely bad. This Martian sample is so difficult to focus on because there's barely anything there. Right, where's one? There's more. I don't want to go away, but I have to. Hey, look, there's another one. All right, we have a very, very strange selection of things. Oh, there. Oh, there's something else there. All right, you see the tiny one? Yeah. We have some stuff living, definitely. Now, my problem is they are so difficult to find. And this twisty thing again, what is it? Aha! Something long. What the hell? This has changed like completely. These half moon things, or like half a mushroom things. So yeah, we have now those nearly a bowl-like things. Where are you going? There's another one here, look. That's kind of dead. That is definitely alive. Hey, look, right in the center-ish to the right a bit. This one, really tiny one. Why the much alive? And that one is spinning around. Okay, good. But those creatures, they only seem to like these long stringy bits, whatever those are. Hey, another tiny thing that is definitely moving. Hello! This one loves to live there too. So yeah, these are those structures. And that looks like hair. What is going on, man? I don't know what this stringy bit is, because there should not be any hair in there. Because how would there be hair? Doesn't look like hair anyway, because hair is round and this is not round. Well, it's a mystery for another time, because now we need to do something different. So, last time Venus lived really well because I got the green water. This one doesn't have the green water that much. So the plan is to go and get a lot of, not a lot, but enough of green, put it into this very salty mixture and grow the culture a little bit. And then maybe create Europa out of this. But okay, let's go and do this first. Right, so it's a nice and windy day. The sun is up. So my source of green water is in that tire there. And I need to put it there. Got my pipette that I dropped. Let's go. Oh shit, what was that? What was that? What was that? Okay, that's not a spider, that's just a plant, okay? Okay, I am like spooked out. Alright, we need some of that really green stuff. Because I need some culture. Okay, that is like literally breathing this green liquid. Right, so I think I doubled the amount of water there now. I'm gonna go and leave it in a warm place for a week or so. And then we'll see what we're gonna do with it. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, let's gonna take a look. Put it in a safe place. And at least the day is nice. Okay, so I have a bit of a dilemma, because if I keep the cover on, they won't get oxygen, but I need them to breathe for a bit, for a week. So I think I'm gonna put it on loosely, hope no one will knock it over. And we need to put it in a safe, warm place. Alright, so yeah, hiding there, next to a radiator. Next to a radiator, in the dark, and we cover it loosely. That's good. Anyway, so that's it. So thank you for watching for now. And yeah, Mars did survive with the tiny little animals in a CO2, which was good news. But we need more culture. So I shall see you in the next one. Bye.